Apply 3 times the charm to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom, our expression today is third time's a charm. This is one of those expressions and idioms that has its roots in ancient belief that the number 3 is somehow magical. But the phrase really became popular in the 1800s, and an old English version of it, probably from an old English law, was popular in the 1800s. It said third time lucky. And it came from a gentleman by the name of John Babcom Lee, and it applied to an English law that if you got hung 3 times and you didn't die, if you literally got hung 3 times and survived, you would be set free. And John Lee was the first person to be set free, and I'm sure other people were after that. But if you try something the second time, the third time, and it doesn't work, maybe if you try something 2 times, it's more likely to succeed the third time. Now, in building and growing and supersizing our businesses, I am really curious to know how many of us have not had to make more than one go at building our business, growing our business, supersizing our business. And I'd love for you to share that in the comments below. What are some things that you've tried at least 3 times that you didn't give up, or that you are still working on figuring out with respect to growing and building and supersizing your business? I can think of literally hundreds of examples of things that I had to go at more than once. Actually, I can't think of very many things in my business or my life that I actually successfully did the first time I attempted them. I don't know if there's anything in my life that I ever just went for and was 100% dead nuts on successful the first time I tried or attempted to do it. I don't think there have been very many things like that in my life. Maybe you're much more talented and much wiser than I am, and you have had instant success. So often, it seems like my kids and not my grandkids yet, but my kids want instantly to achieve things. And it's just so unrealistic to think that the first time we try something, it's going to work out for us. I don't know anybody who rode a bike the first time they popped up on it. Again, with the exception of my son. After a car accident, he popped up and rode his bike. He was 4. And for the most part, I don't know anybody that does that or has done that. That's like the only example I can think of in my life where somebody just decided to do something, got up and did it the first try. I can't think of anything in my life that has gone perfectly the first time I tried it, or that I got the first time I got the idea of it or wanted it. Even with respect to going to college, picking my majors, what to study, things like that. I didn't get it right the first time. I changed my major, I think, 6 to 12 times in college. So, curious, share in the comments below, how do you believe that this idiom has impacted your business and the growth of your business? I personally think it reminds me that I don't expect things to be perfect right out of the gate, but that doesn't prevent me from taking action. I'll take a step forward knowing that it's not going to be the perfect step and that I'll have to test and tweak it along the way, but I'll still take that step, because taking that step will tell me what I need to do next to make it better and better and better, versus planning and thinking and trying to consider all the possibilities before I take a step. We can spend years planning and thinking about, and most people do spend years or decades planning the business they're going to start, and they never start it. So congratulations for having started your business. Now let's supersize and grow it. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another time-related idiom to decide how we can make time work in our favor versus just being at the mercy of time and circumstances outside of our control. How can we control and make better use of our time? That's what this month is all about. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. And please share in the comments below something that you've attempted at least 3 times but didn't give up and quit, because I think that provides inspiration for all of us. Have a great day. Catch you tomorrow.